The passive infinitive is a fascinating aspect of English grammar that often goes unnoticed, yet it plays a crucial role in how we convey information. Essentially, the passive infinitive is formed by combining the marker, to with be, and a past participle. For example, in the sentence, the case is to be decided by a judge. We see this structure in action. Here, the focus is on the case, not on who is making the decision. One of the primary reasons we use the passive infinitive is to shift the emphasis from the doer of the action to the receiver. This is particularly useful when the agent is either unknown or irrelevant. Take the example, the carpet needs to be washed. Here, we're not concerned with who will wash the carpet. The emphasis is on the carpet itself and its need for cleaning. You'll often find the passive infinitive following modal verbs. For instance, in these doors should be shut at night. The focus is on the doors needing to be shut, rather than on who will shut them. This construction allows us to express obligation or necessity without specifying the agent. Understanding the passive voice is key to identifying passive infinitives. When we recognize that a sentence is structured to highlight the action's recipient, we can easily spot the passive infinitive. For example, in "he is going to be interviewed tomorrow," the focus is on the interview itself, not on who is conducting it. Now, let's break down the structure a bit more. The passive infinitive always follows the formula, to plus be plus past participle. The past participle can take different forms, often ending in ed or n, depending on the verb. For instance, to be loved, to be seen, or to be eaten. Each of these constructions emphasizes the action being received rather than the action being performed. Another interesting point is how the passive infinitive can be used in various tenses. While we often see it in the present passive infinitive form, it can also appear in other tenses. For example, the project was to be completed by the end of the month, uses the past form, indicating a future action from a past perspective. Let's consider a few more examples to solidify our understanding. Everybody wanted to be told over and over again the things which had happened to her. Here, the emphasis is on the information being received, not on who is telling it. Similarly, the answer to that mystery was not likely to be revealed to me anytime soon highlights the mystery and the answer, rather than the person revealing it. In summary, the passive infinitive is a powerful tool in English that allows us to focus on the action's recipient rather than the agent. By mastering this structure, we can enhance our communication and convey ideas more effectively. So, the next time you encounter a passive infinitive, remember its role in shifting focus and clarifying meaning.